Hello everyone. In this lecture, now we are going to interface the RFID with the Arduino UNO, and we are also going to read the data from various RFID tags and keychain also. Now let us see the implementation part. And before that, you need to download one. You need to download from GitHub. I have provided this link in the description of the video. Here you need to click on code, and here you need to click download zip. Once it is downloaded, go to Arduino IDE, and here from sketch, click on include library, click on add zip library, go to downloads, and from here you need to select the RFID master that downloaded file name is. You need to click on that one and then click on open. Once that process is done, you can make use of this library, and spi.x will be already installed because it will come by installing with Arduino IDE itself, and this is our going to be our code part for reading the data from our RFID tag, and we are going to yeah, here you can see dump version to serial, dump to serial functions are there, right? Those are nothing but for sending all the details on the serial monitor. As I told us, in serial monitor we can see the output. That's the purpose. And yes, now before starting off it, first let me explain you about the connections. RST, here you can see first two are we imported the packages successfully. Yeah, now coming to the second point, one is RST pin you need to, and SS pin nothing but SDA pin. As I have mentioned in the previous slide, let me go. Yeah, SS or SDA, everything is same, but we are going to have SDA. So you can name it as SDA also. There is not an issue. Only those pins we are going to vary. Means we can decide the pin. But for remaining pins, you need to give to their respective pins, because that is not our intention. That is actually the Miguel Balboa. Here you can see in some in the code already it is written, so we can't change it. Means within the package itself, those pins are fixed. Only two pins we can decide. One is RST pin and one more is SDA pin. RST for reset pin, I have chosen digital pin 9. For SDA pin, I have chosen digital pin 10. So these both we need to inform to whom? To MFRC 522 package. This is the header file, and this is the alias name. You can give even your name, my name, any name also okay. But this first one is the package name. We are going to pass first the SDA pin, nothing but SS pin, then RST pin. And for this code you can get from this website only. The first program belongs to our implementation part. Yes, this code we are going to use, and we are going to get output in the similar manner. Now let me continue the explanation of code. Yeah, serial monitor, since we are working with somewhat larger applications, you need to increase the baud value. Here I am going to use this 115200 baud value I have chosen. And next, yeah, here don't confuse, this is not any while loop, because while loop ended here only. You can also move this one to the last line, there will be nothing wrong. While not serial, we need to end the loop, because if our serial monitor is detected, then only we will proceed further. Otherwise, we will be in the continuous loop. Yeah, SPI dot begin. We are beginning our serial monitor to work properly. Then in MFRC 522, nothing but alias name I am using in my entire code. It is similar to that in, suppose if you consider Python, we will say import numpy as np. Throughout the code, we will use the alias name np only, right? Here also the same thing. And here we are going to use only mostly only two functions we are going to use from MFRC 522. One is the PCD one and one more is PICC. Here we are going to initialize the MFRC522. If you don't keep below also, there will be nothing wrong. Then you are going to dump person to serial to show the details of PCD MFRC522 card reader details. Reader details this belongs to. And here what we are saying dump to serial is there, right? This one about the tag we are going to display, and here we are going to display about the reader. RFID reader we are going to display. Yeah. Next line comes is our normal print statement. This is scan PICC to see UID, SAK, and one more thing. Yeah. See that the connections are very much tight, because if connections are loose, then our code is not going to work properly. And next we are going to loop function. Up to this is belongs to setup function. Now in loop means continuously we need to check, right? So firstly we are going to check whether new card is present or not. If present, are you able to read the card serial or not? That we are checking using these two functions. If for suppose new card is not present, again you need to go here itself. Again you need to start the loop from beginning. For suppose if new card is present, then you are going to the next statement. Select one of the cards. Yeah, here if you are unable to read the serial, then again you need to start the loop from starting, not from only here, guys. That's why we have mentioned the statement return. If we are able to read the card serial, then now what we are going to do? Simply we are going to display. PICC we are going to use the function. PCD is for reader, PICC is for tags. We are going to use. Remember that one. Dot PICC dump version to serial. Here and percent we have given. Dot QID we have mentioned, right? What are the things going to display is, let me show you. Scroll down. Yes. About card UID, card SAK, PICC type, and all the data inside the tag is going to display. Yes. This is how it is going to work. First, let me compile the code. Yes, you can see no such file not directly. MFRC522 is not detected. Means what I need to do? Oh, sorry, wrong. Yeah. Include library, add zip library. In downloads, it is present. Yeah, RFID master is the name. Yeah. Now it displays that library is installed. Now just compile it. Yes, now there is no error, guys. That's why first before the entering the code itself, you download the package and include in libraries from Sketch. Yeah, now we are going to see the implementation with hardware components. Yes, yes, yes. One thing I forgot, I have explained only about these two pins. Then where we are going to connect the remaining, let me explain those also. Yes, guys. RST, as per our program, I have given to 9, so I am going to connect with digital pin 9. And 10 is for our SS pin, nothing but SDA. Next, coming to here, you can see SCK, right? SCK, we are going to give to digital pin 13. Yeah, here you can see here down also it is mentioned. MISI and MISO should be continuous. So we are giving to digital pins 11 and 12. VCC is to 3.3 volts, not 5 volts, guys. In this case, remember that one carefully, not 5 volts. And black one, nothing but ground. We are going to give to ground. Here they have given VIN. It is wrong actually. You need to give to ground. And then if you bring the tag near to this reader, you are going to get all the details of serial monitor. That one we are going to see now while connecting with the hardware components. Let us work with the hardware components now. Hope you understood the code completely. Yes, friends. Now you can see that my Arduino UNO is connected, and I have also connected the RFID reader with my Arduino UNO. Now you can see I opened my serial monitor at the baud value 115200 baud. You can see that it is asking me to scan. Now here you can see there are two components. One is the keychain and one more is this tag. I am just going to scan the tag first. Yes, you can see here so much message came, and in the end it came as failed because I have moved the card, so the reading failed. Now let me show you the top details. Yes. On scrolling to top, you can see that I got my card UID, card SAK, PICC type, my fare 1 KB and all, and the content in the blocks and all the blocks sectors you have received. So you need to copy this card UID in order to perform the next experiment. Copy this UID of the card. The reason is that we are going to operate LED, right? There you are going to see that it is going to operate only with this card only. If you use another tag also, it is not going to open. You are going to operate only with this tag. And now I am going to also check with this keychain also. Just a second, let me scroll down. Yes, with this here it stopped, right? Now let me keep this keychain and let me show you. Yes, here you can see one more, some few more lines came. Just let me scroll down. Yes, yeah, here you got the keychain UID. So both the UIDs are different. Now we are going to perform the LED on and off with this one. Hope you understood. With this lecture is completed, and here we have just read about the card details, and we are going to apply in a light controlling system in the next video lecture. Hope you understood. If any doubts you can comment it, and don't forget to go to the description and download the GitHub link. Thank you.